站，请按地面指示排队候车，先下后上。
Hello everyone, I'm at Laojie right now, and after the line 1 across, we walk across and we go line 3, we just go one stop to the next station. Also all the way from Laojie to this entrance.
The train bound for Futian bonded area is arriving soon. Please let the passengers follow the train first. Please line up and mind the gap between the train and button.
Okay, and oh my god, there's so much people. Gonna go here. Also, Shenzhen is typified Hong Kong business now. So the whole looks wrong if you get out of Hong Kong. Also, they actually need to reprint everything. Also, this is kind of crazy. It says, do not get on or off. What's the whole point of it saying that? Anyways, we're Hongling. We go and change the line now. Because it's a haunted right now. Let's see this last show, yeah. And Hongling. And in the next video, we go 2 stops up to Hongling North towards 10-1 direction. Alright, peace.